Hey, what's up guys? Modzala here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install a lock for your tailgate. I just received the package yesterday and I'm excited to install it, and I will go over that with you step by step, so stick around. This is how it came in the package, and as you can see, it's very bare, and what I'd like to do is paint this first before I install it. So I happen to have a can of black spray, and spray to give it a few coats and take it from there. After 3 coats of paint, this is what I ended up with. I just used an extra can of trim-clad spray paint that I had in the garage, and that should do the trick. So our next step now is to remove the T40 screws. So luckily I have a set here, and just couple that with the with a bit extender here, and let's squeeze this in. I know it's pretty tight, so you're gonna have to look for a tool that would fit. Let's see how this one works for me. All right. Alright, so our problem now is when this extends, we won't have enough room to get it out, so which I'm having right now. So let me just get that out of there. Hopefully I didn't strip the head there. If I bring this out enough, I should be able to do it by hand. We should get another pliers or long nose or something to rotate that patiently, and should be able to get it out. So let me try this with a set of pliers. Yeah, it's going, but I'm gonna have to do this slowly, patiently. There we go. So we got it off. Now I should be able to easily slide this on. So that went on pretty easily. And do this by hand first. All right, so I think that worked. Let's close this up. See if you can see that. Yep. closes perfectly. Now it's locked. Need to unlock it. Yep, no issues there. So as you can see, it fits perfectly. There's no rubbing. Just need to tighten the screw on a little better, a lot more, so that should secure it. And that is it for our mod. So I don't know if you noticed, but I also have installed the pop-in lock for my gate, so that's just an added extra security there. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Please hit those like and subscribe buttons, and until the next video, for now, remember, if you can be anything, be kind.